Hold up one just a second. One second, let me just do this. You got me? Test 1, 2, do you have me? I can't hear anybody in my ear. David? David, are you here? No, that's not old, that's right now. That is in Gould. We were on SR 114 headed east behind this tornado, and we got snap power poles, transformer in the road there, trees down. Yeah, I'm on Skype. Hold on just a minute. Yeah. Let me tell you exactly where I'm at. Okay. Copy that. I can't. Right, David. We're at South Howard Holthoff Street and State Road, or excuse me, County Road 114. We're just west of US 65 in Gould. We rolled up. We were behind this storm as it intensified just to our south. We were trying to stay parallel with it, let it cross in front of us, and obviously it did. We've got snap trees, power poles, and we see a couple of homes in the lightning flashes, but we can't. Oh wow. We can't tell if they're damaged or not, but as you can see, we've got a very intense storm overhead still right now.